Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the basics of remote sensing, the electromagnetic spectrum, sensors and platforms, resolution and types, air, photo and satellite image interpretation, and photogrammetry. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. This is the course outline: electromagnetic spectrum, wavelengths, bands and interaction, sensors and platforms, active versus passive satellites, resolution and types, spatial, spectral, temporal and radiometric, air photo interpretation, elements and stereoscopy, satellite image interpretation, visual and digital methods, photogrammetry, principles, overlap, scale, revision and MCQs in terms of UGC NET exam. Okay, first of all, electromagnetic spectrum: gamma, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible and visible, that means 0.4 to 0.7 micrometer wavelength, near infrared 0.7 to 1.3 micrometer, mild IR, that means mid infrared 1.3 to 3 micrometer, thermal 3 to 14 micrometer, and microwave radar. These are short wavelength with high frequency and high energy. These are long wavelength, low frequency and low energy. Remote sensing uses visible, that is 0.4 to 0.7 micrometer, near infrared, SWIR, TIR, and thermal infrared, and microwave bands. Atmospheric windows, that means bands where atmosphere is transparent. Okay, bands where atmosphere is transparent. 0.3 to 1.3, 1.5 to 2.5, 3.5 to 5.0, and 8 to 14 micrometer. Relay scattering affects shorter wavelengths. Blue light cause haze in images, and near scattering caused by aerosols and larger particles affected visible and near infrared. Non-selective scattering by large particles, fog, affects all wavelengths equally. Thermal infrared band 8 to 14 micrometer depicts surface heat, used for LST, land surface temperature, geology and vegetation stress. Sensors and platforms: passive sensors and active sensors. Okay, passive sensors are record naturally reflected and emitted energy dependent on solar radiation, cannot operate at night except TIR, thermal infrared. Examples: landslide, TM, ETM and OLI, and spot IRS and Sentinel-2 sensor bands. Used for land land cover classification, visitor analysis, and water bodies analysis. Now there are some active sensors also. They emit their own energy and record reflected signals day and night, and all other operations they can work. Penetrate clouds and vegetation. Examples: SAR, IRSAT, Sentinel-1, LIDAR and radar sensor. Used for DEM, digital elevation model generation, and flood mapping and forestry. Okay, platforms: ground-based, airborne, aircraft, UAV, unarmed vehicle and drone, and spaceborne, LEO, GEO, MEO orbits. Next, resolution and types. Spatial resolution, that means smallest distinguishable object on the ground, IFOV. Classes: examples: very high, less than 1 meter, wall view in 3, high 1 to 5 meter, spot 6, medium 10 to 100 meter, Landsat, and low more than 100 meter, Modisan, NOAA. Spectral resolution definition: the ability to distinguish wavelengths, number and widths of spectral bands. Classes and examples: panchromatic, single broadband, multispectral 3 to 10 bands, hyperspectral hundreds plus of bands. Okay, example: ABI, RIS and Hyperion. Temporal resolution definition: revisit time, how often the same area is imagined. Class and examples: geostationary 15 to 30 minute inset satellites, LEO daily, Sentinel-1 and Landsat 16 days, IRS Indian resource satellites 5 to 24 days with a revisit time period. That is known as temporal resolution of the satellite. Radiometric resolution definition: sensitivity to detect differences in brightness, bit depth. Class and examples: 8-bit, that means 256 level, Landsat TM, 10-bit 1024 levels, and 12-bit 4096 levels. Higher bit, that means higher, better discrimination. Then elements of air photo interpretation: tone and color, relative brightness, dark, absorb weight, and light reflex dye, foundation of all interpretation. Shape, outline, form, geometric shapes, man-made, irregular, natural, key discriminator. Pattern, spatial arrangement or such, regular grid and natural vegetation, random. Site, topographic location, hilltop, valley, floodplain, edge in identifying land use. Size, absolute and relative scale dependent helps identify objectives, football field versus parking lot. Texture, frequency, tone, changes, course, route, rough forest and fine smooth water grassland. Shadow, reveals 3D profile, height, useful for all tall structures, shape cliffs and can obscure details. Association, coexistence of objects, runway and hangar, that means airport, and context, clues matter. Okay, these are some criteria for interpretation of an image. Image means real photography. Okay, these are some elements. Then satellite image interpretation, visual interpretation and digital image interpretation. Visual interpretation means same 8 elements as air photo, tone, size and etc. Band composition, APSC, false color composite, 432 for Lancet makes vegetation appear red. 2 color composite, TCC, 3, 2 and 1 bands. Density slicing for thematic mapping. Stereoscopic viewing with side lab image, IHS transformation, intensity, hue and saturation transformation. Similarly, digital image processing, pre-processing, radiometric and geometric correction, image enhancement, contrast state and filtering, supervised classification, training samples required, unsupervised classification, ISO data and k-means, vegetation indices, NDVI, near infrared minus R, that means red, then near divided by near infrared plus R, that means red, sense detection, multiple temporal analysis. Then photogrammetry. Photogrammetry means science of making measurements from photographs, especially for recovering exact position of surface points, topographic mapping and 3D modeling. Photo scale, that means scale f divided by h, where f is the focal length, h is the flying height, and scale is equal to photo distance divided by ground distance. Overlap and lap, forward overlap along flight direction, 60% standard, and shows stereo coverage. Then parallax, difference in apparent position of object in 2 photos used to measure height. Stereoscopy, viewing 2 overlapping photos in 3D and requires 60% envelop, reveals terrain relief. Principal point, foot of perpendicular from lens to photo plane, geometric center of photo. Relief displacement, radical displacement of elevated objects from principal point, increasing with height. Side lap, lateral overlap between flight steps, 20 to 30% standard, upper bands gap between steps. Fiducial marks, reference marks at frame edge used to find principal point of photo. Height formula, h is equal to d multiplied by h divided by r, where d is equal to parallax difference and h is equal to flying height and r is equal to radial distance. Okay, some important satellites and sensors. Okay, quick reference: satellite sensors, country and agencies, spatial resolution, bands and key use. Landsat 89 OLI, USA, USGS, NASA, resolution 15 to 30 meter, bands 11 bands, key use, LULC and agriculture. Sentinel-2 MSI, ESA, that means European Satellite Association, spatial resolution 30 to 60 meter, bands 13 bands, key use, vegetation and crops. IR series leads for India and ISRO 5 to 8 to 56 meter, 4 and 8 bands, national resources. Spot 6-7 France Airbus 1.5 to 6 meter, 5 bands, urban and mapping. Modis USA and NASA 250 meter to 1 kilometer, 36 bands, global monitoring. IRSAT 1 SAR, India and ISRO 3 to 50 meter, C band SAR, flood and agriculture. Worldview 2 USA and Maxar 0.31 meter, 0.31 meter, 29 bands, very high resolution mapping. Cartosat 3 India and ISRO 0.5 meter, 0.25 meter, PAN and MS, defense purpose and urban planning. Okay, this is the important satellites and with their sensors. Now, question 1, the region of electromagnetic spectrum used in remote sensing is, correct answer, optical 0 to 3 to 14 micrometer to microwave 1 mm to 1 meter. NDVI is used to assess vegetation and health density, formula NIR minus rate divided by NIR plus rate. The overlap required along the direction of light in aerial photography is 60% envelop and side lap 20 to 30%. Relax scattering mainly affects which part of the spectrum, shorter wavelengths, blue and ultraviolet. Which sensor is used for all weather flood mapping? SAR, synthetic aperture radar, that is IRSAT 1. Okay, EM spectrum residual near infrared SWIRT at and microwave bands using remote sensing, sensor specific sunlight independence versus active own energy SAR leader. Resolution spectral temporal radiometric 4 types. Air photo elements TSS TP SSA 8 elements for interpretation. Type scale like this. Image processing, supervised and unsupervised image classification, NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index. Photogrammetry, scale is equal to F divided by H. Stereoscopy, 60% end lab and parallax formula. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.